Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Target easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your business with Target, start by understanding their target audience. Research demographic data to identify key consumer segments. Next, evaluate your product offerings and see how they align with Target's inventory. Consider whether your products fill gaps in their current selection. Once you've identified potential alignment, reach out to Target's merchandising team. Prepare a compelling pitch that highlights your product's unique features and benefits. Include data on your current sales and market performance to support your case. Be ready to discuss how your product can enhance Target's customer experience. If you get a meeting, bring product samples to showcase quality and appeal. During the meeting, be open to feedback and willing to adapt your product if necessary. If approved, work closely with Target's buying team to ensure a smooth onboarding process. Develop a marketing plan that aligns with Target's promotional strategies. Utilize social media and influencer partnerships to generate buzz ahead of your launch. Monitor your sales data closely after launching to assess performance. Adjust your approach based on customer feedback and sales trends. Continuously engage with Target's team to explore further opportunities for collaboration. Scale your operations to meet increased demand while maintaining product quality. As your business grows, stay agile and ready to adapt to changing market conditions. Keep an eye on industry trends to stay ahead of the competition. With strategic planning and execution, you can successfully scale your brand with Target. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.